Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise today to speak on a very important topic, carbon monoxide poisoning, particularly in relation to the dangers that come with operating an automobile. According to the CDC, there are over 400 deaths and 20,000 emergency room visits each year as a result of the carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide is often referred to as a silent killer because of its undetectable traits. When people inhale certain amounts of carbon monoxide, the gas enters the bloodstream and prevents the intake of oxygen, which could result in death. On September 2nd, 2021, Suzie Marie Hanna of Bridgewater Township tragically passed away from carbon monoxide poisoning while driving from her job in Flemington to her home due to floodwaters preventing the movement of her automobile. Suzie Hanna, a graduate of Bridgewater Raritan High School and Raritan Valley Community College, was known for her kindness, her selflessness, and always brightening the mood of people around her. We are joined today by her family. In memory of their daughter and their sister, they have fought to normalize drivers, acquirers, and use safety hammers to prevent tragedies like Suzie's from happening again. Additionally, the family started a foundation called Suzie's Mission. This foundation hosts fundraisers that directly support local organizations and to keep Suzie's memory alive. I thank her family for joining me today and for making the U.S. and New Jersey a safer place. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I yield back.